Hey guys, welcome back. So today I want to do a e.l.f. haul. I did purchase some products from them recently. I actually have been on the hunt for the Putty Primer, which is supposed to be a really good dupe for the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. If you don't know what that is, it's just this guy right here, which you have seen me talk about on my channel before. It's the only primer that actually makes a difference, in my opinion, for my skin, for me. If others work for you, great. But it is the only primer that makes a difference for me. So some of you actually said that the e.l.f. Putty Primer seems to be a good dupe for it. So obviously with this big guy, not this one, but the big one being about $54, I think, 52. Now this guy is only 20, but for some people that's a lot. So with that guy being cheaper, obviously I want to try him out and see if he is a dupe or not. So I'm waiting on that. I did do the like notify me when it's available, but you guys bought it all and now I can't get it. So stop buying it so I can try it. So I can let you, if you need to buy it, you know? I want to go through this box with you. So if you'd like to see what I purchased recently from e.l.f., then just keep watching. As always, don't forget to subscribe. What? Don't forget to subscribe down below. And that's all I got. Obviously this box. I have had this box underneath my desk since I got it. And that's been a couple weeks, I'm going to be honest with you. They're super official. Like, look at all these layers. So it's just in here. So we got a bunch of stuff in here. So I'm just gonna go through it all. All right, let me make some room. Hold on. Okay. All right, so the first thing on top is just the Oil Control e.l.f. sheet mask. This guy right here. I like these. I didn't used to be a fan until I started using them. Obviously that's how anything works. But I started using them, not specifically from e.l.f., but just in general. I pick them up from the drugstore and they're nice. So if you haven't tried them, try them, and are normally really cheap. So this one is just Oil Control Sheet Mask. Let your personality shine, not your skin. Clay Infused Oil Sheet Mask. This Oil Control Sheet Mask helps balance oily skin. This one does only have one sheet in it. It says gently remove mask from pouch, unfold and apply to clean dry skin. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove and discard mask. Massage and pat in remaining serum into the skin until fully absorbed. Follow the normal skincare routine. Use once a week or as often as desired in the morning or at night. So this guy seems promising. I'm gonna use them, and if I feel like they make a difference, then you will hear about it. That's how it goes. Next up is the 18 Hit Wonder eyeshadow palette, and it's You're Not Ready because it's so beautiful. Shazam. Like, look how good that is, you guys. Let's swatch this puppy. Should I do it? Okay, let's do this yellow. Okay, this yellow. Hello, how you doing? Okay, let's do a regular shade. And this orange, you guys, these are so creamy. And there they are on my, why do I always do this to myself? Like, there they are on my wrist. They're so creamy. They're like velvety, which I love. So again, right here, this is the 18 Hit Wonder eyeshadow palette. So there is that one. Let's just wipe this off before I make a mess, because you know I will. Also, while we're wiping this off, a lot of you guys have been asking where this guy's from. I know he's a little bit higher than my camera right now, but this guy and this guy, which this guy will probably soon be down here, where these are from. And then I also added this in to my collection. Let me just show you. But I've been getting a lot of questions about where these are from. And these are actually, my friend makes them. She is on Instagram. I mean, she's on all social media, obviously, but she has a Instagram page just for this stuff. So I will leave that somewhere on here, and then she'll also be listed in the description box. She's amazing. You need them in your life. Like, that's all I need to say. All right, so the next one is the Opposites Attract. You guys, I'm living for these. And to be honest, these are kind of similar. I mean, kind of, but not really. Kind of, but so good. This one's a little bit more toned down. And this one looks so good as well. Oh, they're so velvety. I wish I could like let you feel them through the camera. Can you feel it? Feels good, doesn't it? I know. Ooh, low key. Look at this, that'll be a brow bone. Okay, can't wait to try those. Next up is the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. I got deep brown just because I usually don't use a black color. If I do use a black color, I'll mix it in with a dark brown. It just depends. But the box just looks like this. It's kind of hard to see the guy in there. You just get him out. Okay. So obviously the little spoolie on the end, which this guy is really small. And then take off the cap for that one. Actually, let's put it back on so we don't lose it. And then we have this guy right here. So if you can see how fine that is. He's pretty thin. Oh yeah, that's nice. Let's see how much. So you get this much. Which may not seem like a lot, but we'll try it out. It was fairly cheap. I mean, it's e.l.f., so they're all affordable, but I believe this guy was like $6, I want to say. I'll leave it somewhere. But I know he was inexpensive, so I want to try him. I get stuck brows are something that I always get stuck on. Like if I find one thing that works, bye, shut down everything else. Like this, the Anastasia Dip Brow in Soft Brown. I've been using like for 2 years. Like, it's, yeah. Moving on is the 16-hour Camo Concealer. I got mine in light sand, which I hope will work. It says full coverage matte. It says it'll cover pesky spots, under eye circles with this high coverage, crease resistant 16-hour wear concealer. Use the wand to apply concealer in desired spots. Pat out gently with your finger or a sponge to blend it smoothly. Let's compare it. So here he is next to all of its friends. So Makeup Revolution, Tarte, and then e.l.f. So he's a contender, okay? Oh yeah, that should work. Oh yeah, he's nice. Nice and creamy. I don't know how it'll work when I'm self-tan, so I might have to, if I like this guy, I might have to get a second shade. Just because I feel like this will be pretty light when I am self-tan. So we're gonna try that one. It's been the rave everywhere, so you know I had to try it. Next, I just have this Primer-Infused Always Rosy Blush. So let's open him. Don't you love how all my products are boys? Why is that? Like we didn't do pick her up, like I picked her up. I don't know why. Come on, good Lord. Okay. So she just looks like this. So it's a nice mauve blush color. Oh, and he feels velvety. There's the color on my middle finger if you can see it. So I think I'm going to like. The last item that I got is the Oil Control Blotting Powder, and I got it in sheer. So if you are an oily beast like your girl, I don't always like to carry blotting sheets because your girl can use quite a few in one time. And you obviously don't want to layer your face with a bunch of powders throughout the day because that just makes the problem worse. So blotting powder is perfection. It's right in the center. Ooh, this is light. So I'm thinking this will be okay just because it's a blotting powder. I hope. I mean, I got sheer, so. And then you do get this little guy with it. And then obviously a little mirror. So let's hope this guy works. So that is it that I purchased from e.l.f. recently. I plan to do a video with these next. So you'll see this first and then you'll see the review, because I do definitely want to try out this concealer and then one of these eyeshadow palettes. So yeah, I think that's it. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.